This is a Chevy LS. This is an 8 HP. And this is my 2014 Subaru WRX STi. And we are going to be taking these two things and putting them in this to build an amazing track car. Let's check out the STi a little bit, and let's talk about what I want to do for the build process. So as stated, it is a 2014 STi. It is a rolling chassis here, hatchback, my favorite body style. In high school, I had a 2013 STi or WRX. It was a hatch, and I loved that. No motor, no trans currently. Most of the axles and the rear diff and everything are in the back. So it's more or less a plain chassis that we get to start new with, which is where I got the idea for the LS and the 8 HP. So in this interior, we do still have a nice STi steering wheel. We have some nice seats, STi seats. I'm a little indifferent on what I want to do in the interior. I know I want to cage it. That way, it's required eventually when the car gets to a competition level. And then two, I really care about my safety. I've seen some of my friends and whatnot, some of the guys even here at the shop who have gotten into crashes. And honestly, the only reason that they're okay and still up and moving around is because of good safety equipment. So that is something that plays a heavy toll on what I think about. And so I do plan on caging the car, which then poses a big question to the interior. So with the interior here, we currently have a dash that's partially taken apart. It's all there. Chris originally was going to make this his own race car, and he decided to take everything STi drivetrain and put it into his Subaru Forester. When he put it into the Forester, that kind of left this with nowhere to go, which is where I picked it up, and we decided let's do LS and 8 HP. I want to only do a purpose-built track car. I don't plan to street this car. I don't plan to do anything like that. I just plan to take it to the track, try and be a good driver at it, have something that if I crash and it gets messed up, I'm not heartbroken over. With that, the interior, I don't know how much of this I'm going to keep. I don't know if I'm going to even keep the STi steering wheel, even though it is nice. I don't know if I'm going to keep the STi seats, even though they're nice. I might do like Chris's S15, where he has a nice set of OMP seats, gorgeous with the M-Rain. Cut to a clip right there of that. Or I might also do like a sheet metal dash here. Or depending on if I'm racing like a street class where I have to have stock stuff, or at least carpet dash, stuff like that, from the driver's seat forward, I may go that level. We're kind of going to just see. The goal is get the LS, get the 8 HP in here. Let's do like a Haltech digital dash, keep most of the interior as is, go out, get some seat time in it, have fun, see where the build goes after that with where my goals go. Future plans for this car is not only to get the drivetrain in it, but we also want to upgrade the wheels and tires. I want to do a mild wide body, something similar to the Varis wide body style. We'll see if I go that far or not, but definitely something I can fit more meat under here, get more grip. Eventually, when I become a better driver, move to a slick tire, move better suspension. Speaking of the suspension, we already have 510 coilovers on the way for this bad boy. The other part I didn't have up front is we also have a subframe from TSS Fab that is coming in, so we can easily drop in the LS with no issues. As for the rest of it, most of the body is going to stay as is. Maybe I'll put some carbon parts on it. I do eventually, as I move through the stages of racing and doing HPDE and moving into like an actual competition license, I do plan to time attack this car. So once I get enough seat time and become a better driver and everything else, I do want to do bigger chassis mounted wing, big front splitter, flat bottom, everything I can to start getting some more and more speed, but I'm just not at that level yet. So if you want to watch me turn this car into a track, hopefully monster, and go from literally no motor, no trans dying outside a shop to an impressive track car with a big V8 and fast trans, follow my page and let's build this together.